In this video, we will be comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the Smug and the Sweetcrispy. Both machines promise quick ice production and convenience, making them ideal for home kitchens, parties, and camping trips. Let's dive into the details and see which one stands out. Both the Smug and Sweetcrispy countertop ice makers are priced at an affordable $69. This price point makes them accessible options for consumers looking to add convenience to their ice-making needs without breaking the bank. Despite their identical pricing, let's explore how their features and performance might justify the cost. Both ice makers boast impressive ice production capabilities, generating 9 cubes in just 6 minutes. This rapid production rate is perfect for parties or gatherings where ice is needed quickly. Additionally, both machines can produce up to 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours, ensuring you have plenty of ice on hand for any occasion. Let's see how they perform in real-world scenarios. When it comes to usability, the Smug ice maker features a portable design with a handle, making it easy to transport for outdoor activities. On the other hand, the Sweetcrispy model includes a self-cleaning feature, which simplifies maintenance and ensures hygiene. Both machines offer unique advantages that cater to different user preferences, making them both appealing choices. In conclusion, both the Smug and Sweetcrispy countertop ice makers offer great features at an affordable price. Depending on your needs, whether it's portability or ease of cleaning, one may suit you better than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.